Almost see here, my people. I greet una from every corner of this planet. And if you never subscribe to this channel, please do want to subscribe. Hey, to my returning subscribers, you guys are just the best. So, my people, hey. Now, this one we say, Tori, what, Tomakba. Hey, Oglovis. My people. Una no say their delicacies. Their delicates love just dey enter this Momodu family, and they come dey ask themselves whether they fit love themselves one day like this. And una know say where love no dey, e no fit work. Yes, my people. Una know say the other day Sophia Momodu uncle call Davido say, since when e be like this now, make you kuku buy a mother house for Banana Island. Na Davido say, wait, house for Bawo. Hey, my people, na their delegation the matter. Say this one no be the matter of buying house for Banana Island. Oh. If you buy house for Banana Island, when we have houses, who wan stay for the houses wey we get? My people, na im dem kpai the matter for that reason. Wonders will never end. Oh, wonders shall never end for this kind problem wey Sophia don bring for herself. So my people, na Sophia mama don come outside. Oh, e say so since Davido no fit buy house, since the Adeleke's no fit buy house for Sophia for Banana Island and Imadi, make dem kuku buy dem car. I say this one like mother like daughter. This is like mother like daughter. So Mama Sophia get mind dey support her daughter for settlement of house buying. Hey, my people, buy house for Banana Island. Mama Sophia get mind. No be small thing. Oh. Buy new car now. No be small thing. Oh. For who now? For who? We know say at the end, oh, we know say na she be the brain. Na she be the brain behind all this nonsense wey Sophia dey do. If una no know, una no go know. I put it to you that Sophia mama, na she be the brain behind this whole nonsense wey Sophia dey do for social media. If una no know, in case una no know, because I have not seen a baby mama claiming this kind of right that Sophia is claiming. You are claiming the kind of right, this kind of right to baby daddy you did not even marry. Baby daddy that did not promise you marriage. See, I know baby daddies that take care of their own child. They take care of their child's feeding. They take care of their child's school fees. They take care of their child's shelter. Not buying houses for baby mamas. Which one is buy house, buy car? Una wan wreck the guy. He promised una marriage in the first place. But all these things Davido has already done them. What is the problem? Why all this Madodo up and down? Sophia and Mama. Sometimes I no even blame all these people. Now the Sophia herself now blame. A woman that cannot have sense for herself. You cannot have sense and speak for yourself. And at the end of the day, you're saying that you're going up and down to swear and lay curse on another man. A man that has already settled that, and he told you to move on. He told you to move on. Hey, my people, no be small thing. No be small thing. Somebody should tell Sophia to please look for a life. Somebody should tell Sophia to please move on. Davido has married. Davido don't marry. You fit go marry your own na, abi? Try and look for a man that you will enter his house and go and stay. So they will be talking about you and the man too. My people, No be small thing o. No be small thing. No be small thing. If Sophia will not get this nonsense, if somebody should tell her that enough is enough. Enough is enough. You should be ashamed of herself for once. I no even blame her. I blame Davido on this one too. Because this whole thing is becoming too much. Try if Davido will just walk up to Sophia and tell Sophia that, man, na baby mama you be o, and besides I no promise you marriage. Marriage is not by force. It's not by force to be married to a man, and it's not by force to remain in the family with all this nonsense character that you're putting up. How can a man come and say you want to settle down with you? Sophia, go and rest. Sophia, try and continue with your juju and see if it will fail, because at this point it has failed. It has failed finally. Are you the only one that have a child outside wedlock? Are you, in fact, if you are the only baby mama, I will understand. But at this point, you're not the only baby mama. So what is it? My people, this one part be careful. Like mother, like daughter. If una check this whole thing, I dey tell una say na Imade I dey pity. And I pray may this girl no just be like the mother. My people, no be small thing o. No be small thing. No be small thing o. So last after everything, na Sophia mama say make e come buy Sophia car, the car wey Sophia go use dey carry pikin dey waka. No be small thing o. When time go reach, when Imade go find out about all these things, I pity Sophia o. Sophia, I pity you, because all these things later you go surface, and that time Imade go get time make she ask you questions, and when she ask you questions you no answer. Hey my people, put your comment at the comment section o, because at this point I no know wetin Sophia papa use settle Sophia mama, wey make Sophia mama come dey tell Davido make e settle Sophia. Make una imagine, for Banana Island of all places. Now you go come ask yourself, kí ló kàn mí pẹ̀lú? My people, abeg o, till I come your way again o. Una bye.